Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, let's see, Bitcoin breaking down against the rotation zone, and now we can update our, if I can grab the right one, there we go, we can update our retracement level. So right now it's pointing back to 12.5% level, 10,550. Key resistance, you see this little ledge right here, right about 10,800, where the declining rotation zone is. So that's the first key level of resistance. If we move through that, we'll be watching. You might have some minor resistance right at the 25% retracement, and it ties in right at 11,000. We'll be watching the next major resistance right now about 11,200 on any rally. So we still have our projected levels downwards. Our next key level is 99.70, so I just call it to 10,000, and then below that major cluster right around 9,500. Let's switch over to that daily chart. Daily chart, so you can see here, sorry, right about there, we spiked below the rotation zone, but so far trading back above it. Watch today where this closes. If it closes back below 10,400, then we've closed below the rotation zone. If it closes in there, it's still not in, it's still in bullish mode. It's just in a pullback mode. But if we close below it, we're just going back to more of a neutral mode. Okay, because the rotation zone is against us on the 4-hour, and then we'd be below the rotation zone on the daily. So that's where we stand with Bitcoin. Switching over to Ethereum. Let's see, we broke below our key support levels we were looking at. You see it held for a while. We dipped below it and we held this ledge, and then we started breaking down. What we did is did the projection from the most recent little swing high in the 4-hour to this little low ledge, which gave us the next area down to 82.50, and then we had down by 277, which just reinforces the prior low level. So far, we're bouncing off that 282 area, coming back to the rotation zone right now. 293 is the first key level of resistance. So this little support area is turning into resistance. On a further rally, we're looking at about 300 being the next level of key resistance. If we did get back through there, then we'd be watching the 310 area. Look at the daily chart. So this one dipped below the rotation zone. Yesterday closed just in it to dip below it and back in it. So your key level to really watch for is about 290. Close below 290. Close is below the rotation zone then on the daily. So that takes us back to more of a neutral bias. And then we'd be really watching to see if this 277 area breaks. If that does break, the next key area, the 50-day exponential moving average, is coming in right about this 266 level. So that's a new area we'll be watching for support should we break below the rotation zone on a daily basis. So we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.